Hello guys, I go by the name of Ammarullah, as you all know me. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how I traded my EURUSD, the one I posted on my status on my Telegram community. If you are in my Telegram community, you know what I'm talking about. If you are not in there, you can go and check it. So I know some of you will be confused of how what were the reasons that I take the trade and all that. So I will explain. You can see my chart is now very simple. I now simplify everything I do. There is nothing like a lot of chaos or a lot of lines and everything. You can see there are only 3 to 4 lines, 3 to 4 drawings here. 1, 2, 3, 4. But this is where the real thing happened, right? I'm not complicating things now. Everything is now very simple. So let me not be talking too much and just go straight to the point. Okay, I always start from the higher time frame, then come down low to the lower time frame for finishing of analysis and execution of trade, right? Let's go to the daily. This is daily time frame. As you can see, the daily time frame is giving us, after hitting this particular level, daily time frame is rejecting from it. I don't even know what I drew here. Should I remove it? Yes, I think I will. After hitting that particular level, the structure turned to downtrend. It's now going down. Right, as you can see, it turned to downtrend now. So what we always do whenever we are doing analysis, or whenever we are trying to take a trade, what I normally do, I always check the structure of the market. What is the higher time frame structure of the market? So the higher time frame now is giving us bearish, right? The higher time frame, the daily time frame now is bearish. So whatever we are doing now, we are only going to be looking for sells, right? We are only going to be looking for sells, for things that will align with the higher time frame direction, right? Which is selling. We are going to be selling the market, right? Then I come down to the 4-hour time frame to see what particular things are there. As you can see, the lower time frame to the 4-hour time frame too is currently bearish. You can see there are no highs, no external highs are breaking themselves, right? All the external highs are not breaking themselves, right? So, but at this particular level now, at this particular place, let me remove this first. If you notice, the trend of the market is changing to, like, it is doing as if it is turning to bullish, but it will not turn to bullish until when this particular high is out. When the market is to remove this high now, then from there we will consider to start looking for a reason to buy, right? But so far this high is still in play, then the market will continue to be bearish. This high and this high, this particular high is even stronger, is even more stronger reason, right, to be the structure. But from here you know the market is getting weak. So I first marked this high before this happened, before this sell, because I sold the market from here and take profit right here. So that was before this happened. Then I marked this high. I waited for the market to finish its temporary uptrend. If you can see on 1 hour time frame, if you can see the market right now from here to here, from here now to here, it is looking as if it's uptrend, right? As if it is going bullish, right? But it is not. It's just trying to reach the higher time frame levels. So at that particular time, when I saw this temporarily bullish, I mark this low to here as my structure broken structure, right? On the 4 hour time frame. This is where the next structure get broken, the last structure, the last low get broken, right? After this, then the market is trying to make a retracement to a particular level in the 4 hour time frame, in the higher time frame, so that it will continue to the direction of the higher time frame, which is bearish downtrend, right? So I marked this particular level. If you saw the first picture that was there, the first drawing, you see this particular line. It is found in the higher time frame. It is found in the 4 hour time frame, which is this particular level. This last, you can see this last bullish candle, this last green candle, that is my supply zone, right? That is where I consider as my supply zone. So I'm expecting the market, I was expecting the market when it reached that particular place, not to breach it, not to go ahead of it, not to go like above it. So that was what I was expecting. And as you can see, when it did came, the temporary uptrend finished. None of the candles closed above this particular level. None of them. All of them were closing below it. Means it is rejecting there. It is rejecting them. This particular rejection is the first rejection I saw. Then on the lower time frame, on the 1 hour time frame, that was where I took the trade, right? That was where I took the trade. After the rejection, the first rejection, this was the first rejection. Then the market came back again, but it failed to reach this particular first high that was being created. Means the trend, the uptrend, the temporary uptrend is getting weaker now. It's getting weak since this next high failed to even reach the first rejection, right? Then it came, it went down again with force. The force is even higher than the first one, right? So this is to show you, this showed me that the market is more weaker now. It even then give me this particular change in state of delivery. It gave me this change in state of delivery. This was the first tap, liquidity sweep, then failed. This is the change in state of delivery. Then after I saw this, I say, okay, now I'm ready now to enter. Then I mark this particular last candle as my entry level. That was where I executed. I executed the trade right there. I placed my limit order. I sent it to my Telegram community. If you're not in there, you should go and check it. The link is everywhere. Wherever you're watching this video, maybe on TikTok, maybe on Instagram or YouTube. So wherever you're watching the video, then I targeted this loose. I targeted this loose as my target, and the trade smashed full TP. Then I've placed my stop loss at this high, the high that I say I'm not expecting the market to come to, right? That was where I placed my stop loss and my take profit at this low. Then I removed this. I don't need it again because it finished its work. Even that high finished its work. That was how I take the trade. That was how. It's just higher time frame structure. Then structure, continuation of the structure in 4 hour time frame. Then reversal to a particular level, to the supply level. When it reversed to the supply level, then I wait for rejection. It rejected from the supply level. Then I found my entry level, my point of interest, which is this other block. As the market returned to it, I executed fearlessly. I will show you the chart. I will show you the screenshot of my trade. Then it's sold down, stretched to these lows, which are the sell side liquidities. That was how I did it. So thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe if you learned something. If you don't, just like the video and keep on going. Thanks for watching. Bye.